Meanwhile, it will not be a Merry Christmas for vendors of the Maypen Market in Clarendon as a major fire caused significant damage today. Some vendors lost everything. And as we hear in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson, it will be difficult to pick up the pieces.
A Sunday of depression and despair for several vendors of the Maypen Market. The fire was raging for quite some time. Firefighters made frantic and desperate attempts to contain the blaze. Many feared other stores and the Maypen Primary School would be scorched. The timing could not be worse. It's mere weeks away from the busy festive shopping. Instead of counting cash, vendors will be counting their losses. As one vendor spoke to us, the moment was too much to bear for another. As the firemen were busy taking directions as to where to concentrate their efforts, several persons scampered for cover. The cause of the fire is still yet to be determined. For now, all are trying to come to grips with the magnitude of the disaster.
Friend, this is total disaster. Total disaster. I mean, everybody's stocking up, preparing for Christmas. The fire is out of control. It is difficult to be controlled, even by the firemen. You can see what is happening here. I just called in here. I understand that there are other trucks that are on its way here.
Central Clarendon MP Mike Henry said the local government ministry has been contacted. Vendors will need immediate assistance.
Obviously, it's an unfortunate thing for the persons whose goods are all gone. Let's hope that they didn't put everything into one place and we have to assess what it is.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.